Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Right before I decided to go to bed, I'm like, I'm going to go on the coupons.com app. Right now I'm on Swagbucks, but I just decided to go on the coupons thing and to see if they added any new coupons because there's nothing there this morning. Go there and they added some new coupons. So it looks like they added all the Purina Beneful ones. So we have a $3 off, a 2-pound bag, $1.50 off a 3.5, and then $2 off of a 6-count or 12-pack of variety pack. They also added some other ones. We're just going to go down here. I think the Drano one is new, the $1 off Drano. But they did add the $2 off a Clorox toilet wand, and then they added the 50 cents off the creamy Snickers single bars. And then they also did $1.50 off of 2 of the Clorox Scentiva things. I know there's 50-cent off coupons, but these are better because there's 75-cent off coupons for those. And then we also have the 50 cents off the Clorox bleach spray. And then they also added the $1 off whole sharing bag of Snickers. So I guess there's that. But other than that, that is just what I wanted to share with you guys on new coupons to print. Like I said, those probably won't go as fast. The Clorox ones I'm printing off because I know last time I'm so happy I printed those off because there was some good deals with that and I really enjoy using that product. But the Eucerin came back. Some of you guys said that the Eucerin was not available. Well, it disappeared for a while and now it came back. So I'm printing that off and I'm just going to print this one off too. But other than that, make sure you guys get your coupons printed. Just wanted to share with you guys on that, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.